I ain't tryna wait. I can't be with, no, you can't touch this. Ayy, wish I do rich, my money thick, ayy, walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp ayy, he say you all about money, yeah, I'm on that cash, I'm in my bag, I'm on your eye, I'm in that new, you on that last year, bitch I do pimp you on simp Ay, he say you all about money, yeah, I'm on that. Hey y'all, so I'm back at it again with another voiceover, and so I'm already starting off with my brows already prepped for filling in later, and I'm about to go on with my hydrating oil. Now I'm about to go on with my face cream as well. So now I'm about to pull up my hair and prime my face with Hydro Grip by Milk Makeup. I'm using L'Oreal True Match in N7. About to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge and apply my foundation, and actually I prefer a sponge over a foundation brush. It just gives a great finish. About to conceal my face. Now I'm about to go in and set my face with my yellow tone setting powder, and then continue on with my face routine.
And now I'm using my Elusive Cosmetics highlighter and my highlighting points. So you guys, I'm about to go and fill in my brows, and I honestly never get my brows done, but I'm thinking about getting them done. It just takes so long for my brows to go back. So you guys, tell me, comment if you think I should get my eyebrows done. I'm about to go off camera and do my wing. I'm not much of a wing person, so I have to film this process off camera. But now I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow and deepening the color and running it through my crease to give a more smoky effect. You guys, I was watching a Disney movie while filming this, and I don't know why I'm dancing. The soundtrack wasn't that good. But yeah, I'm just putting on my mascara right now. If you're not a lash person, you can honestly stop the makeup routine right here for yourself. But I'm about to go in with some Black Hole Liner by Rimmel London and line my waterline. I'm I'm about to prep for my lashes and use my Duo Lash Glue. But while my lashes are drying, I'm about to wipe off my lip gloss and everything. And now I'm about to go in and apply my lashes. And if you're not a fan of color lipstick, you can honestly stop right here. This is really beautiful in itself already. But now I'm about to go in with the same black kohl liner that I used for my eye and line my lips. Now I'm about to go in with this Revlon red lipstick and fill in my lips and blend it with the black. So the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I can't wait to see you again next time.